This is a 14 by 14 square canvas, and I am going to do a landscape. So I'm going to start, and it's going to be a sunset. So I'm just going to pour blue at the top. This is a peacock blue, Deco Art peacock blue. And I'm just going to spread that out just a little bit. You're looking at it upside down. This is the sky. We're going to do different techniques on this one. You'll see as we go along. So where I want the line to be, I think will be right here. Get that bubble out. And so I'm pouring heavily on the yellow because I want that to go all over, basically. I have my vision. We'll see if it pans out. And I'm doing a lot of paint, as you can see. This is my first attempt doing this particular sunset this way. And now I'm going to take my hair dryer. That's exactly the way I want it to look, and I'll turn it around so you can see the upper part. I think I'm going to do a few controlled blows, smaller blows here. I'm going to use my mini blower. Got a lot of bubbles. Let me get rid of those. I want the yellow going out more, so give me a second. All right, let me look at this. And now I'm going to do the water. photo paper here, and I'm just going to, it's going into my sunset line, so I gotta fix that by doing this. It's moving. So I'm not happy about that moving. Taking a thin strip here. So I wanted a fiery, bursting sky. And so that's the abstract part of it. And we certainly got a lot of cells down here. These are the waves and the sand. Well, this is the next day, all dry. And as fluid as art is on acrylic pouring techniques, I would say that took a turn. So I'm going to fix it. I think what happened here is that I didn't let it dry. I should have done this and let it dry, and then done this and let it dry. So I'm going to redo the top part and let it dry, and then I'm going to come back. So wish me luck this time. perfect. I'm letting that dry. If it's not level, I can at least do the waterline level after this dries. But if it sinks, I'm going to be very disappointed. I may trash the whole thing. Let's see what happens. All right, let's finish this. I taped this dry perfectly, by the way. It did not leak down. And so just putting some masking tape over this, because when I do the ocean part, I don't want it to go up. And this is level. I did check it out, and it's level. So it's just, you don't know what you're dealing with fluid art. So I'm going to start with the blue. My paper towels cut up here. My spray bottle, and I'm going to spray this part. I'm going to spray the paper towel, and I'm going to do this part. What I did was I poured white with more Floetrol, and I did the same with the blue. I added a lot more Floetrol. I get better cells that way, and I'm going to use the sand in a cream colored instead of this. I didn't like this, so I'm going to now pour this part with the sand, but I'm going to use I think this will activate cells better. So, I have these little doodads that I got from the dollar store. I don't even know what these are, but they sure come in handy when I want to do a pour that's not in a bottle. Okay, so we've got a nice ocean with the colors of the sunset burst and wonderful cells in the waves. So that looks pretty decent. We'll see how that dries. I might have to fix the waves a little bit, but so far that's what we have, and we'll see how it dries. Okay, as I started doing touch-ups, I ended up making bigger waves. And sorry, I did not have my camera on when I decided to just do the bigger waves, because I was just doing touch-ups. And so I had to get that line back in there. But you know what? There it is. And I'm sorry I didn't show you the bigger waves this morning. They came out okay. They definitely look like crashing waves, so there. This painting was a pain in the butt, but it's done. Okay, one last effect to the waves. When I'm not happy, I keep doing things. So I'm going to, I have a cotton ball and a Q-tip, and I'm dipping it in the white paint here, and then dabbing it on the side. And this is where I get kind of a foamy, splashy look. So let's see how that goes. Okay, I think I'll leave it alone now.